Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dita Aldara Septiana Putri. You can call me Dita. And 09230441. I will explain about narrative text. What is narrative text? What is narrative text? A text that tells a story. Purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative is to entertain, inspire, or convey a moral message to the readers or listeners through the story being told. Of narrative text. 1. Fable. Fable story that tell about animals. 2. Magic. Stories or myths that develop in society. 3. Legend. That tells the origin of a place. 4. Folktale. Story pieces that tell generate. 6. Love story. A story that embodies the theme of waiting for love. The protagonist become a part of community tradition. Generic structure narrative text. Orientation. We are the character, setting, and theme of the story are established. Usually answer the question who, when, where. For example, once upon a time there was a wolf living in the forest. Complication or problem tells the story of the beginning of the problem that question the crisis or climax. Complication usually involve the main character. Resolution. The end of the story is a solution to the problem. There are needs to be resolution of the problem. The problem can be resolved, it can better or worse, happy or sad. Sometimes there are several complications that must be resolved. This ends and maintains interest and tension for the reader. Coda is the closing statement of the story and is optional, can contain moral lesson, suggestion, or teaching from the author. The characteristic or language feature of narrative text. Past tense. Kill, drug, when, won, sent. Adverb of time. Once upon a time, today, one day, will, yesterday, later. Theme conjunction. When, then, suddenly, before, after, until. 4. Character or use of specific, not general, story character. Cinderella, Alibaba, Putri Salju, Tanglet, Anel. 5. Action verb or verbs that show an action. 6. Reading direct speech to make the story seem more alive. 7. Saying and taking verb. Verbs that show speech or reporting. Here are the characteristics of narrative text. The characteristic of narrative text. Using nouns to replace pronouns for animals, people, or objects in a story. It is more of a folk tale or is already known and developed in society. As a shared story event told, it can be retold in different versions of the story, different Malin Kundang or Indonesia Tanggang or Malaysia. Story elements, coins of the theme and placing setting, story theme, story character, story atmosphere, conflict and resolution. It can be arranged into a simple sequence or composite of several complex sequences. A sequence is a series of statements whose execution in sequel and correct. The one found which will be done first and fifth. The order of the statements is reversed. It will have different meaning. Struktur generic narrative text. Example struktur generic narrative text. Title: The Story of Sangkuriang and Tangkuban Perahu Mountain. Orientation. Once there was a kingdom in Periang land. Lived a happy family. They were our father in front of dog. His name is Tumang. mother with West called is Dayang Sumbi and a child with West called Sangkuriang. Complication. One day, Dayang Sumbing asked her son to go hunting with his lovely dog. Tumang are hunting all day. Sangkunang began desperate and worried because he hunted nothing. Then he thought to sound his own dog. Then he took the dog liver and carried it home. Son Dayang Sumbi found out that it was not their liver but Tumang's. His old dog saw she was very angry and hit Sangkuriang head. Instead incident, Sangkuriang got wounded and Sangkunang began desperate and worried because he hunted no there. Then he thought to shoot his own. Sangkuriang got wounded home. Years go by, Sangkuriang had traveled many places and finally arrived at village. He met a beautiful woman and fell in love with her. When they were discussing their wedding place, the woman looked at the one in Sangkunang had much to her sore wounds, who had left several years earlier. Soon she realized that she fell in love with her own son. She called money him, but how to say it? Resolution. Then she found the way. She knit a leg and a boat for cats celebrating their wedding day. Sangkuriang had to make them in onyx. I put a leg with a dog just moment away, and the boat was almost completion. Dayang Sumbing had to stop it. Then set lit up of the calcium horizon with flowers of like it made the cow crowed for a day. Sangkuriang failed to marry her. She was very angry. Why did I cause narrative text? Because I like reading books or novels that can entertain and inspire readers, thereby having a positive impact.